Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix WhatsApp storage full problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps section, then go to the search and search WhatsApp, and then go to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to clear data, but be careful. If you want to clear data, all the messages and all the chats and the media will be deleted, so be careful if you want to clear data or clear something. So that's it. Also, you can try to turn on the airplane mode and off. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.